This is Dan Davies with AbleLink Smart Living Technologies with another 4-minute tutorial. Today we're going to look at setting up Smart Living email. So let's get started. The way email works with the Smart Living desktop is the Smart Living email program is a front end to an existing email account that you may already have. For example, you may have a Gmail account or a Yahoo Mail account or something like that. Smart Living Email just connects to that same account and provides a simpler user interface to send and receive mail. So let me show you how to set up the email program to connect to an existing email account. In this case, we're going to connect to a Gmail account. And if you click the Get Mail button, when there are no settings set up for the program, it recognizes that. So click Get Mail. It opens up a little box that says, please update this user's email account settings, and click OK. This takes you into the email account settings part of the program. Here is where we connect to an existing email account. To connect to a Gmail account, first click the Gmail button, and that'll enter the proper receive mail and send mail information into the box. If you're using Hotmail, you can click on that one, or Yahoo Mail. In this case, we're going to connect to a Gmail account. So I click Gmail. Down below is where I can enter the specific information for the existing Gmail account. In this example, I'm using Indiana Jones, and the nickname is Indy. Most email account login information matches the email address that is used for the account. And that's the case with Gmail. So now I enter the email address. After you have entered the email address, you can click the Copy to Account Login button to copy the same information into the next box. Another option is you can actually double-click in that text box to do the same thing. Now enter the password for the email that you used when you first set up the Gmail account. After you have finished entering the email account settings in Smart Living Email, there's one more very important step that you'll need to do by logging into Gmail with your web browser before you can use Smart Living Email. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. The back button is used to return to the inbox. If you later need to return to the settings area to make a change, in the bottom left text box, you can type the word Setup, and that'll take you into the same area. Each of these tabs has different settings. We were on the middle tab here that says Email Account Settings. So that's how you return the settings area in Smart Living Email. Now, before you can start using Smart Living Email, go to a web browser and log into your Gmail account. I'm already logged into Gmail, so when I click here in the top right, it shows Indiana Jones is already logged in. Select Manage Your Google Account. On the left-hand side, select Security. Now scroll down on this page until you see the section that says Less Secure App Access. Right now, it's off. That's the default when you have a Gmail account. But for Smart Living Email, to connect to your Gmail account, we need to turn this on. Click below where it says Turn on Access. Click here to turn on Allow Less Secure Apps. You'll see the icon turns blue. Now we can log out of our browser, and that setting will be saved. So that is how to set up your email and also to change the setting in Gmail to allow Smart Living Email to work with your Gmail account. If you're ever using Smart Living Email and for some reason you're not receiving email, or the emails you're sending don't seem to be going out and being received by the individual you're sending them to, go back and log into Gmail and check that setting. Gmail sometimes automatically changes that setting, and it will prevent the Smart Living Email program from connecting to your Gmail account. If you need help setting up your email, or if you have any further questions, be sure to contact us. We'll be happy to help you out.